All right, so on this 19 Tahoe 5.3 liter, so if they don't know what they want yet, we're gonna test some mufflers for them and see which sound they like, okay? So right now, it's gonna be a straight pipe sound with no muffler. A straight pipe. Give it gas. They like it, but it's gonna be, remember it's sitting still, it's quieter than when you're driving. When you're low, it's a little louder. So the decibels on it, go ahead. Right at 100. Okay, so that's straight pipe. So here we go, guys. This is the Flowmaster Super 10. Give it gas. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. It's actually louder than straight pipe. It's 101. One more. So next, we're gonna do the Borla ATAK, guys, okay? Here it is, right here. Borla ATAK. Crate muffler, go ahead. This is the Borla. Give it gas. Different sound. That's the Borla, yeah. Again. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. It's right at 99. All right, one more. All right, guys, 2019 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter V8. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. They came all the way from Clarksville, so we appreciate it. Cat there, wise it to a single. Third converter there. We showed you guys in the video earlier. We let them hear all different styles. And they went with the Flowmaster Super 10. Part number 842518. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Then it goes over the rear end. And then there was a resonator there that we deleted and added our signature 5-inch black chrome tip for a deeper, cleaner tone, as you guys can see right there. So it came out nice and clean. Matches the whole theme of the car. It's all murdered out, all black. There's the muffler that was on it that we took off. And there's the resonator that was on it that we took off, as you guys can see. Here we go. Let me let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, hit that subscribe. See how much deeper it deepened it with the tip? Again. So it's right at 104. It got a little bit louder too. Again. Yeah, earlier it hit 104 on the sound decibel. Again. Now 103. That's perfect. One more. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop. 3560 Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital and before Due West Avenue. Come and visit us if you guys ever need anything or just want to say hello. That sounds clean. Let you guys hear it on the inside. we go. Chevy Tahoe 2019 with Flowmaster Super tank. Five-inch roll tip. That came out clean. Enjoy, guys. I hope you like it.